Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is, Chapter 7 of Civics Social Aspects of Gender Role. Dear students, this is the first module of this chapter, and in this module, we shall study about gender, its meaning, and its role in our family. Let's start. Dear students, the gender plays an important role in the social and economic life of the people. The society in which we live teaches us which type of work and what kind of behavior is suitable for girls and boys on the basis of gender. These different roles assigned to the boys and girls by the society prepare them for their future roles as men and women. Most societies in the world value men and women differently. The word gender refers to the fact of being male or female, especially when considered with reference to social and cultural differences. In fact, gender is a social construct and not determined by biological or physical difference. Dear students, it decides how girls and boys are brought up, what roles they play at home and in the society, and also decides their status in the society. The inferior status given to women in most societies is a result of gender. Dear students, sex and gender are not the same. There are two kinds of differences between women and men, and these are sex and gender. Sex refers to the physical or biological difference between male and female. It is a natural difference. But dear students, gender is not so. Gender is a social, economic, behavioral and cultural difference between female and male which is constructed by the society. There are certain social norms or values that determine roles expected to be performed by boys and girls in a family, community, schools and public places. Let us discuss their role in a family. At the time of birth, dear students, a family makes clear distinction between boys and girls even before the birth of a child. This is because quite often parents want a boy rather than a girl child. They are involved even in female feticides. When a child is born, the first thing they want to know is whether it is a boy or girl, even boy, even before asking about its health. The birth of a boy is celebrated while girls are not welcomed with the same enthusiasm. This shows how little the lives of girls are valued. Fairly speaking, the gender inequality starts from the birth itself. When they are young, girls and boys are given different kinds of toys to play with. The girls usually get dolls while boys are given aeroplanes, trucks, gun, etc. means the energetic toys. This is to make them aware that they will have different futures when they become men and women. Girls are expected to take care of their families while boys are expected to earn a living. So the girls are brought up to be kind and gentle. Behavior at home. Girls are expected to talk softly and be obedient. They are also encouraged to learn household works and help their mothers in the kitchen in order to enable them to become good housewives and mothers. On the other hand, boys are expected to work outside home and earn money to support the family. That's why they are encouraged to do well in sports and studies. Freedom and education. Dear students, women are given less freedom as compared to men in all aspects at home. For example, in decision making, accessing higher education, travel, etc. There are many areas in India where the girls are not allowed to take education. Usually, parents want their daughter get married soon. Dear students, that was all about this module. We will continue this chapter in module 2. Thank you.